Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to look at the insistence by the APC in Rivers State that the 27 PDP lawmakers never defected to their party. That's what we're going to look at in this video. And if you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, you and I know that by December 2023, 27 lawmakers elected under the platform of the People's Democratic Party defected from PDP to the All Progressive Congress. Their defection was not a hidden matter. They appeared on national television brandishing their new identity with their own APC flag, brandishing their brooms, an indication of their movement to a new party, singing the pro-Tinubu chorus or anthem, on your mandate we stand, on Tinubu mandate that they stand. They sang and made it clear that they have moved. And even in a press conference that was addressed, in a rally held that was addressed by Nyesom Wike, who was the leader of the group, the speaker. He is the speaker of that PDP lawmakers that defected. He said that they have done everything, that they have done their homework, literally. He started with section 1091G, said they took note of all that. You know, section 1091G stipulates that if you defect, any lawmaker who defect from one party to another, when there is no crisis in his party and all that he will lose his seat. He said they have taken note of all that. They did their homework, so they claim. But unfortunately, it was found out that they didn't do their homework, because PDP at that time was not having any crisis. You can therefore imagine the shock of many Nigerians when the Caretaker Committee of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State, Tony Okocha, appeared on viral video on X, which was earlier on interview he had with News Central TV, where he claimed that the APC, the PDP lawmakers that defected to APC, they didn't defect. In fact, he was saying that he went to them individually and collectively begging them to move to APC, that they refused. Can you beat that? He said that he went to them individually and personally and collectively, but they refused to join APC. Which is very interesting, because these guys in their group, they came in a group and do their announcement in their chambers. They came, they did a rally where they spoke to their constituents also, where Nyesom Wike clearly stipulated that they know what they are doing, they have taken care of all the loopholes. For Tony Okocha to now say that he was the one begging them to defect and they refused is really unbelievable. I don't know what to think of this. Don't forget that within that same period, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu convened a meeting, peace meeting, between the governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara, or similarly Fubara, and the former governor of the state and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, at the presidential villa, which they attended, including the lawmakers and some other leaders, including Dr. Peter Odele, former governor of the state, and some other elders of River State. In that meeting, one of the statements, you can go and read the stories on that meeting. One of the statement attributed to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was that he has welcomed the lawmakers that defected from the PDP to the APC. He welcomed them. He welcomed them as his party member. He said he cannot reject them. They are all his children. He will welcome them. So if a group of people can be, the president was aware that they have defected and welcomed them at the villa, so that he welcomed their defection, then how come that Tony Okocha will go and be begging them individually to join the APC and they refuse? What this shows me, and should show anybody, others, is that these people know that they bought bad markets, that they didn't do their homework before defection, and their defection has now cost them politically. Whether they like it or not, they can grandstand whatever they like. The other time when Nyesom Wike was in River State and he was talking about Peter Odele, they said that we should not be part of the government. We have left the government for them, but we will not die of hunger. The lawmakers are not complaining that they are hungry. They are not hungry. They are okay. Despite that grandstanding, you can bet that things are not okay in that camp. There is no way that things will be okay, no matter how much they can do to sustain them from Abuja. Those lawmakers are losing a lot of things financially and otherwise. They may not come out publicly to say it, because if not, why do you have to struggle to claim that you didn't defect? Why do you have to struggle? It's because you have known that it's difficult to convince anybody that you didn't defect. It's difficult. And what they did, what they used their own hands, the lawmakers did by following the direction or the directive of their godfather, the minister of the FCT, is similar to what happened to Edo lawmakers. When Edo lawmakers, instead of cooperating with Governor Obaseki as governor, they tried to undo the governor to please Adams Oshomole. This man, Obaseki, was able to run his state without them. And today, I don't think that they have any record that they are lawmakers. And even if today, the present governor in Edo State, Monday or Power, decide to revisit their case and pay them, some people can challenge them in court because they were never sworn in. They were not recognized. They are not recognized by law as lawmakers. Because for you to be a lawmaker, you must be sworn in, and your lawmakership must be within a period. On what basis is Monday or Power going to pay them when they were not even sworn in? In the case of Edo State, Obaseki made sure that they were never inaugurated, those ones, and they paid the political price for that. I think that is similar thing that is happening to Rivers lawmakers, because at the end of the day, just as the court has said that Fubara is right to present the 2025 budget to the lawmakers that are led by Okocha, that are about four of them or five of them there, that it is okay. The court has said it's okay. because the business of government must go on. Because people defected and INEC refused to do their job by declaring their seat vacant and conducting fresh election to fill the vacancy, it doesn't mean that the business of governance will not go on. But what is going on now is an indication to show you that the camp of Wike in River State are really troubled about the state of things, because what they think will hurt Fubara is now hurting his camp. And Okocha demonstrated it by this barefaced untruth that he went individually to go and beg them, and they say no. When the same people have been acknowledged by the leader of the APC in Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, at the presidential villa, that he has welcomed them. So who do we believe? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu or APC Caretaker Committee chairman in River State, Okocha? Or do we believe what we saw with our own eyes on television? These people telling us why they defected, telling us why they did their due diligence in the process of defection to ensure that their position was not disputed. They said they did their due diligence. Go and watch the videos. They're all over the place on YouTube of Hamehule, the speaker of the Pro-Wike led Pro-Wike River State House of Assembly. Just go and watch. Go to YouTube. You see several of their videos where they confirm that they have defected. And now Okocha is telling us a different thing, different from what President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have said about their defection. What do you think about this development? What does it portend for them and for Rivers State as the state searches for peace? What is the way forward? What is your position? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.